Thank you, New Curb. Behind me stands the wreckage of the KRBL news van, and behind that stands the Orion 1 spacecraft poised for its first official launch to the orbiting Kerbal Orbital 1 space station. Oh, what's this, Curb? We're getting reports that the launch is imminent. It will be launching in the next 5 seconds. Well, good luck and Godspeed. Okay, so here we've got our intercept set up, and in approximately 35 minutes we should be meeting up with the station. Right, I've separated from the main launch craft so that we can only get the station maneuvering on just the orbital maneuvering engine. Okay, and here we are coming in for the final approach to the station. Just turning retrograde so we can slow ourselves down in time. And here we are, Curb Orbital 1. And right in front of a docking port, so that's pretty convenient. Okay, so let us dock up. Maybe facing this way. And here we are at Curb Orbital 1, and on board we find Jebediah, Bill, Bob, and Chadbus. Okay, and that's the current crew. Let's just shut down this engine. I believe 10 should do that. And it does nothing. Okay, I didn't set up that action group. And we'll shut it down manually. Okay,